We're right at the edge of a storm. The radar shows it starts like right over my house and goes that way. I think it's moving that way, so I won't see any of this rain. We'll just get the back winds. But isn't that pretty?
I have to go in before I look at it.
Right? Oh, yeah, there goes the wind. We'll just get a quick panorama. Well, I can't go all the way around because there's nothing to see over there. Can't really. Up there, got the Thunderbird. See the Thunderbird? Well, I don't know if you can see him. That's what the Indians used to say when they'd see the birds up high. Thunderbird. Because that meant storms are coming when they start flying high in the sky. Anyway, that's going to be long enough, you guys. Just wanted to show you that. Oh, you see that face? Got a big old nose. Or indentation right there. Oh, y'all missed that lightning. No, I was looking up. That's kind of strange how that's kind of coming down right there. Sorry about the wind, you guys. Maybe we'll get us a lightning strike because it has been having some pretty nice lightning. As soon as I look up, it'll light.
Yeah.
Because I want to look at that too. Alright, we're going to miss lightning, I'm sure. Okay, I said I was going to end this while ago. So we're going to go ahead and end it. Love you guys. Happy Sunday. This is, what time is it? 5?
4:35.
4:35 on September. Oh, it's October. October the what? 6. October 6, 2019. God bless you all.